a, and the. A. I come before singular nouns begin with consonants, sounds. And. I am used only before nouns begin with sounds a, e, I, o, u. The is a definite article that is used to indicate that the identity of a noun is known to the reader.
Students, let us play the game.
Yes!
Cow. Book. Orange. Man. Avikshit out. Lamp. Eraser. Yamuna. Egg. Mahabharata. Pretty girl. Book. Elephant. Earth. These students are out. Avani, Megha, Kavana, out. Out all. Aradhya, till Aradhya, out. Go fast. Siri, you also. Sushant, out. Come front. Hover. Out. Chirag and Bhumika out. Priyansha is the winner. Claps to Priyansha.